Welcome to Palette. In this video will I show you how to create a noise texture in Photoshop. Please like and subscribe before we start. Add solid color in adjustment layers and type 17, 17, 17 and press OK. Then open the filter menu and choose Noise, then add noise. Create a smart object. I'm going to start with 150%. "150% was too much, but no problem. We can always adjust a smart object. Double-click on Layer, and we will change 150% to 20%. That was it. Thanks for watching and see you next video.